Imagine this. You go to get flood insurance on a property and you're told you can't get it. In fact, you're told it's not available. What do you mean it's not available? My bank's requiring it. I've got to be able to get it here. So what's the issue? Well, the issue probably is that this property is on what's called a repetitive loss list, or maybe even a severe repetitive loss list. Remember, this means that it's had significant claims within a 10-year period. Does this mean you can't get flood insurance? Absolutely not. It just means that special companies offer this. Now, maybe you looked at a write your own company where you went to an independent insurance agent and they can't quote you because they're going through a third party to do it. That might be one reason why. Or you looked at private flood insurance and it popped up on this list and they told you it's not available. That's because typically flood insurance is only available through a program called National Flood Insurance Program Direct. This means that an agent has to be directly appointed with the National Flood Insurance Program in order to offer this. And this is typically the only way these policies are offered because special applications have to be done, special mitigation efforts sometimes, and this is why. So when it comes to your flood insurance options, you need to understand is don't waste all your time all day going around. Ask specifically if it pops up on the list, is the agent have a NFIP direct appointment? This will save you both a ton of time. So these are your flood insurance options for severe repetitive loss properties. Make sure to click up here in the corner as we continue this list on helping you understand cost and getting removed from this list. And remember, stay tuned to the end for our frequently asked questions section.